Amaqela amane adlala kwi-PSL, i-Arrows, i-Chiefs kunye ne-Sundowns ebelwela indebe entsha ebizwa ngokuba yi-Home of Legends kwibala i-Nelson Mandela Bay eGqeberha nebeligcwele ngabathandi bebhola. Umdlalo wokuqala wale ndebe ubuphakathi kwamakhosi nabafana beStand, nalapho amakhosi athe azibekele ndawo kumdlalo kwamagqibela kankqoyi emva kokuphumelela ngamanqaku 2-0. Umdlalo wesibini wona ubuphakathi kwe-Sundowns ne-Chippa. La maqela adlala intanganye ngenqaku macala, kodwa abafana beStand bathe baphumela ngokubetha iChilli Boys kwii-penalties ngamanqaku 5-3 yabe badlulela kwii-finals. Kumdlalo kwamagqibela kankqoyi wale ndebe, amabini amaqela aseGauteng angooBhondo zihlanjiwe behlaselana kungekho elifuna ukugoba uphondo emva kokuba abambene ngenqaku macala. Kuye kwanyanzeleka kucace icala ngokuthi kukhatywe ii-penalties nalapho amakhosi athe abetha abafana beStand ngamanqaku 5-4. Umqeqeshi olibambela kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, uCedric Kaze, uthi bayavuya bephumelele le ndebe.
I would like to congratulate the technical committee that organized this event. It was a wonderful event with 4 good teams that were willing as well to play football. It was an entertaining day, I believe, for the fans and as well for the teams. On our side, it was a good day to make everyone to get some minutes in the leagues, and even those who haven't had the opportunity to play a lot of games lately, but as well it's a very good day as well for us because we finished the day with a trophy.
Yena umqeqeshi weMamelodi Sundowns uManqoba Mnqithi uthi le tumente ibanike ithuba lokuba banike abanye abadlali ithuba lokudlala.
We appreciate the intensity that was put by both Chippa and Chiefs in the final, because I think all our players benefited from this experience, not especially most of our youngsters, since we came to this tournament without many of our regular players. We really appreciate, because it gave valuable experience to all our young boys and gave very productive minutes to our main squad.
Umqeqeshi weqela lakweli phondo iChippa United uKhonyile Kopo uthi iqela lakhe lidlalile kakuhle nangona libethiwe.
Not happy to lose the game, but you lose it on penalties against Sundowns. So what do you say? But I felt that we controlled the game well. We controlled the spaces where they can play. I don't remember Sundowns having a shot at goal. I don't remember, maybe a header or something, but I don't remember Darren making a save. So I'm happy. I'm very happy with the performance of the team. I'm very happy with the effort. I'm very happy with the attitude of the players. You give a debut to Darren, who hasn't played for a long time. And he was injured this week, so he was a doubt. That's why he's wearing the brace on his head, because he got a cut and he had stitches. So he hasn't really trained the full week. You give a debut to the goal scorer, Sian Ndlovu Tower, all the way from ABC Motsepe League. He gets to start and he scores against Sundowns.
Umphathiso wezemidlalo ubugcisa kunye nenkcubeko uSibuyele Gongo uthi ibintle le tumente kwaye iza kuphinda isingathwe nakunyaka ozayo. Uthi bajonge ukuba ikhule ngakumbi kunyaka ozayo kongezwe namanye amaqela.
We've reached them and we have yielded the results that we wanted to reach as the province and as MBDA and Nelson Mandela Bay Metro, which was to deliver this first of its kind tournament with 4 teams playing on one day, 2 matches playing in one final between the 4 teams, and having artists playing in between. Remember, the department that I'm leading, the Department of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture, and to find all that in one area, in one center, cutting across in between the games and the performing artists is one initiative that as the province and as government, we can never let it go without notice. This is one signature that we have signed tournament. It is the first step. We are still going to go far with this program, and we are going to even invite the Orlando Pirates, because we could see that the Premier was not happy that the Orlando Pirates was not here. And so now the Orlando Pirates in the next coming tournament, which will be hosted in this particular stadium at this time of the year, we will also hook up more other teams, including the Orlando Pirates of the Premier. And we are very happy and excited to congratulate
Kaizer Chiefs ifumene isixamali esingange 1.5 yezigidi zeerandi indebe kunye neembasa zegolide Mamelodi Sundowns yafumana iimbasa zesilivere kunye nesixamali esingabhengezwanga. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV ndinguLinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.